I'm at 27 Longfield Road. It's a 4-bedroom modern property. It's got solar panels on the roof and the kitchen is fully fitted and upgraded with lots and lots of quality white goods included. Nice enclosed garden and off-road parking at the side of the property as well. Have a look at the video, and if you like what you see, then come and have a look, book a viewing.